Hello everyone, I hope you are fine, and I thought I gonna show you how I gonna get ready my pelargonium seeds for sowing, because it's February and it's very good time for sowing. So I thought I'm gonna go look for my seed boxes and gonna show you. This is one of easy ways. There is a bit other ways too how to sow pelargonium seeds. You can sow as usual seeds, do nothing, and are gonna be good. And you can do as I gonna do, because I have, as you see, these are pelargonium seeds from my own garden, my own pelargoniums. And if you look enough, get seeds from your friends or you have your own, you have to do a little. You have to prepare them for yourself. So I gonna take these seeds out. You need label, you need pencil, you need little container, and you need sharp knife scalpel. Oh yeah, before I start, I'm gonna show you what kind of these are zonal pelargonium seeds. Now all fell out off. I'm gonna say. And these that I have here, that's actually clustered there with Pelargonium australe species. This I think are hybrid seeds. Look how big they are, or I would say how small they are. Show you closer now. See, if compared with other ones, these are now gigantic. Look. Now, I'm not gonna do with these anything because they're too small and I just can harm them. I will just take them out of clusters and then I will soak them as usual. Or maybe I'm gonna soak them for night. Now, I have 3 seeds here and I try to show you best what I'm gonna do. Take your seed, tail pointing at you, and try to make it a little, oh, it's already open there, and then you hold the shell, outside shell, and try to get your seed out, because seed is inside. That's one. Don't look very promising, but no, it's better than nothing. Now that's quite empty, feels empty, so get it out. Oh, nothing here. It's just, see, it didn't work. Okay, that's not good. This is why I'm doing this. I'm taking seeds out of shell, because then you know how many seeds you potentially can germinate. Other thing, if you order seeds from seed companies, they usually come cleaned. They should. I opened a second seed pack because I think there is better seeds in. So when you're cutting this tail off, try to not cut too deep. Just try slide on top. Just break this hard. Look, now there she is. It's very good seed inside. And I will open another one and then I show you how good seeds actually look like. Could say they could 100% they will germinate. Actually, if you could squeeze the opening here. Aye. And there we are. 3 good fat seeds, and they will germinate. Now you see there is 3 good seeds. 3. But this one not good at all. So if you have something like that, you know it's not gonna germinate. So next that I'm gonna do, I will take this little cup, put all 3 of my seeds in, label, and I will pour over hot water. And I will leave it for 24 hours about, and tomorrow I'm gonna sow them afternoon. You can add little, like some biostimulator for what you have for seeds or for seedlings, anything, little bit, just give them a boost. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice weekend. Talk with you soon. Bye.